Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Got the new Nest Audio. Now I'm going to unbox it today, but I'm not allowed to show it to you until Monday, so this is from the past. Um, yes, I am excited to try out the new. So this is going to be a little bit smaller in audio than that big Home Max used to be, that big huge honking speaker. But it's supposed to be close to that, which I really like. When it sounds like you can also set them up as stereo speakers. That's going to be kind of cool. So we can set two in the same room and one be left, one be right. That'll be neat. Okay, so let's take this guy out. It's got some heft to it. It's a really heavy deal. Wow. Like it's got the little soft pad on the bottom, the little rubbery pad. And we've got in the box a charger which uses the barrel connector. I'm not sure it's the same as the Nest Hub and Nest Hub Max, but I'll have to double check that. And a fair bit amount of cable because I'm going to have to play around with it here myself, where I'll put it for where I want it. But outside of that, just some instruction manuals, but nobody reads those. So yeah, let's take a look at this. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, so I'll set it up and I'll let you guys know what I think. Thanks.